Alright, what up guys? We back at it again. Doing another Supreme. Actually, it's going to be a review and unboxing in one. This is actually from 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago? I'll have to look up what fiscal week it was, but this one's actually from the Undercover Public Enemy drop. This was actually a surprise for my wife. I didn't order anything from the drop. I wasn't really trying to buy anything off that drop. I didn't want to spend the money at the time. We were about to go on vacation. I kind of wanted to, keep as much money for that as possible. Figured I'd pick up things later on. And she actually went ahead and did it. She's actually been picking up stuff almost every week for me. And she has pretty good luck. She doesn't have the app. She actually uses just straight to the website. And I've actually started using through the website and have had better luck than on the app, so I don't know what's going on with that. And then this one is for the week after. This is something I kind of regret buying. There wasn't a whole lot from that drop either that I necessarily wanted. I just thought, hey, this is something that I know a lot of people went crazy for the first time it released, so I thought, hey, why not? Let's go for it again. So we'll get into that second. So to start off, this first one, now I've already opened it obviously because she got it for me. She kind of gave it to me as a surprise. I didn't know what it was, so she had me go ahead and open it up, so that's why it's already out of the package. But first up, we'll take a look at the stickers. So they've been sending all their stickers now in this clear plastic bag, sealed bag. I think that's cool. I don't really know what the purpose behind it is though, but hey, I mean, it's fine with me however they want to send them. So came with the Fear of the Black Planet logo. I know it's on a couple pairs of shirts, also on that carpet rug thing that they offered. Then there's the picture of Chuck D in front of the White House. It's kind of hard to see without opening it up, but obviously has the Public Enemy, the logo, and then the Supreme Undercover, or the Undercover Supreme logo. Again, just another cool sticker. And then the best sticker is the Fear of the Black Planet one on the back. It's kind of hard to see, but that one is sick. That's one I definitely like it. I constantly get the regular box logo stickers, which I probably have 1,000 of them just like everybody else. So it's nice to get something different. I think that's the first time I've gotten like a box logo sticker that's actually had a design, so that's cool. Definitely excited about that. Something they also included, which I hadn't seen in other people's videos, but I'm sure they got as well. You can see right there, the Undercover. You got the Public Enemy logo, and then obviously the Supreme box logo. And it's actually a poster of the Fear of the Black Planet cover. So, I didn't expect that. I mean, it's definitely not in the best of shape. It has tears on it. It's wrinkled, but I mean, just to get that in addition, considering I was not expecting, I wasn't expecting nothing at all, but I would never expected to get that with the actual order and all those stickers. So definitely Supreme went above and beyond with the additions on this stuff. Definitely happy with that. Don't know what I'll do with that, but at least it's something extra. And then we have the shirt. Now I don't know why this tag is kind of off kilter. I'm sure it's nothing, I'm sure it wasn't on purpose. I'm sure it's just a mishap, but it was just kind of weird that it's not straight up and down. But it's got the Undercover above the Supreme XL, which is what I order all my shirts in, even though I technically can't really fit that right now. It's got the Public Enemy. This is the front, so it says Public Enemy pretty big and bold, just in their font. And then on the back, it has the Blow Your Mind. Actually pretty simple shirt. It wasn't one that I was actually looking to get. I was looking to get the one that had the green skull with the with this, with the logo coming out the back. It's not something that I necessarily thought I'd get myself, but after seeing it, it's definitely something I would wear. There are other ones that I picked up that I would never wear. This is definitely one I'd wear just because it's so simple. Whether you know Public Enemy really well, whether you know Supreme whatever it is, it's something that's kind of got an artistic look along with being Supreme, along with being Public Enemy, and kind of shouting that out. So definitely like it. Definitely nice to have in the collection. All right, so second, we'll get into this other pickup. Now again, this is something that I know last time people kind of went crazy for, because it was, you know, it had a usage to it. It wasn't, you know, it was an accessory that you could actually use in your everyday life and kind of show off. Wrapped in a lot of plastic. Oh, there we go. 2 red box logo stickers. Again, got plenty of those, don't need those. So there it is, the Supreme Mophie, or Mophie, or whatever it is. You know, I don't typically need chargers or additional batteries. I mean, my phone stays pretty well charged. I don't overuse it, so very unlikely that I'll end up using this. This is the 10,000K. I know the, what was it, the 20K one is a lot more popular than this one, but in the end, I mean, so on tablets, you know, use it on tablets, phones, whatnot. And there we go. So it's got the Supreme, it's got the metallic finish. Supreme for the most part across. Obviously the wires, all the different wires, what you can use it with. Plug to charge it. This obviously tells you how much charge, so it already comes slightly charged. So, you know, not hating the pickup, but definitely not super excited about it. Now my wife got something on that order as well, or on that drop as well. She ordered a hat. Nothing special from the hat. It was just one of the few things that she could get. So that though is not here yet. Now this came last week. The hat's still in transit, and that's partially because it's coming USPS rather than UPS. This came UPS, so I don't know why they're splitting orders. I guess it's depending on what they're shipping, is why they're using different shipping methods. Obviously it's to save money. I get that, I understand that, so I'm not against that, but for it to now be almost 2 weeks waiting on this hat, it's kind of weird. So definitely looking out for that. I just figured I'd do this video, forget the hat, because it wasn't anything too exciting. I really just wanted to do the video for the Public Enemy pickup. Let me know what you guys think in the video or in the comments below. If you liked what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you can, that'd be most appreciated. Check out my other videos if you can as well. Peace.